are just about done. Alright, so here is our next step. Which side are we going to cross it off? So I want to see we have 10 or 12, 11 inch, or the 14 inch. Alright, so this is what we need to do. One of these we're going to actually cut. So I'm going to try to be brave here, bold. I'm going to try to use the 11 inch. So I might maybe make a mistake here. So one's 11 inch and the other is like 12, about like 16. So here we go. I'm going to use the shorter end, 11 inches. And so now we're going to start the cross. So again, see the cross here? Actually, it's going to be more like this blue cross because the other cross I messed up on. Okay, so here's a cross. So basically we're going to make the top part of the cross and then the bottom part of the cross. And then we're going to take a separate string and use the other two. So right now, to make the top part of the cross, we're going to do the same knot, but we're just going to do it a double. So we're going to go over once, and we're going to go over twice. Not 3 times, just twice. Alright, so we're going to go through, and whoop. I think I did that right. Okay, so again, twirl, twirl, twirl. Because it's too, hopefully it's a little easier. Oh, it's trying to get away from me. I don't know what that happened. Uh-oh, what happened? Maybe that's supposed to go here. There we go. Did a nice, okay, I think I just twirled it over there a little bit. Okay, so there we go. That's the head of our cross here. Make it nice and tight. Okay, so after making 12 knots, this is where it all comes down. Our challenge now, we're going to do a quadruple. And not only that, we're going to try to get it as close as we can to this knot. So it's not going to make or break the rosary. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we also got 4 times, and we have just enough rope. So 11 inches, and this is more than enough. 10 inches would have been tough. So if you have 11 inches or less, you want to use the other piece of string. So anyways, here we go. So we make this, we put it through, just barely. And here it is. We're going to twirl it, but we're going to try to get it as close as we can to the other knot. This might be a good opportunity to pray to Mary here, or not. Again, we're going to pray for the intercession, through her intercession here. Just get closer and closer. And again, trying to twirl. So I'm sort of twirling, actually with the left hand. I'm actually like twirling, but I'm also like pushing it closer to the other knot. So I'm twirling, but I'm also pushing it here. And I think, get there, slowly, slowly, slowly. Get over there, get over there, get over there. Push a little more. And you can do it like one section at a time. And every time I do that, it goes a little closer. Did I mess up? Maybe, but it's alright. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so there we go. I think this could be nice. Start of a cross. So there you go. That's going to be the top of our cross and the bottom cross. And then we're going to put the middle part of the cross here. Alright, so we are done with our first step. So now we can find our scissors. And what we're going to do is so this is this end. Before we cut this, we're actually going to cut the other end. So we need about 12 inches, maybe a little less, so of string. So if you don't have enough string, you can get some more string. But if you have a lot, just cut it right here. Boom. Alright, so again, I did not cut the cross. Hopefully you didn't cut the cross either here. And we'll take care of that here in a little bit. So here we go. So now we're going to put this string onto that. And so this is a little trick I learned from the following website here. It's like DIY rosary bracelets, and where she sort of showed us, she had some funky music here, and it tells you this is sort of like what she did here, if you want to sort of see actually what happened. So she makes like a little S, and then this is what we're going to do with ours. Lift the left side under, so she puts it over there, and then she brings it through the hole all the way on the left there. And then by tying it there, she makes sort of what you want. Pull the sides out and make like a little S knot, and that's what we're going to do. So hopefully we'll get ours to look just like that. And if not, well, it's okay. So here we go. notice our main rosary is on top and that's on bottom. So we're going to make an S. So we're going to take this part and put the top part of the S, and then this one over here, and then the bottom part of the S. So it's like over, under, over. And it's about even on both sides. So what we're going to do, I'm taking this part on the left, and I'm going to bring it underneath, but does it go here? So I'm going to go underneath, boop. Okay, so at this point, now I'm going to take that end, and I'm going to put it back under here. And at first it's like, what? That didn't really do anything. But it should work out. So if you're doing it, you're trying to make it even, trying to get it right where that hole is. So, did we make a mistake? Did we mess up? I don't know. Let's check it out. Don't know what's going on right now. And sweet. So it looks like we actually made that S knot. You can sort of see it right there. So that's the idea there. Maybe you can make that using something else. But now we just want to get both of those right in that spot. And as we're doing this, we want to try to make the ends, which you can't really see here, are about the same length. So there we go. So hopefully get that knot right in there and pull really tight, as tight as you possibly can. Boom. Alright, so that's the knot that's going to hold the other two spots together. Alright, so there we go. And then the other one's, okay, well I sort of messed up, I'm about 2 inches off here, but it shouldn't be, it should be alright. Okay, so here we go. So we got our cross here, which is in the middle, and yeah. Okay, so seeing that this knot up here was a double, we're going to do doubles on both sides here. So we'll do a double over here. 1, 2. Put it through. Boom. Okay, and just like the last knot, we're going to try to get this as close as we can. And what I realized last time was if I did it with the other hand, as I'm twirling and pulling closer, I can actually get it pretty close, at least I did last time. So right now though, it's getting a little far away, so we're going to do one at a time. Just get a little over there. Nice little encouragement. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. Over, over more. Over more. Every little time. Over, over, over. Get over. There we go. Good string. Good string. Okay. So we got boop. Boop. Alright, so there we go. We got one part of the cross, or one side of the crosser. And we're just going to do the same thing with the others, and then we'll get to play with, not play with the fire, but use the fire here. Alright, good. Alright, we'll do the same thing on the other side. I wonder if I could do this left-handed. I'm going to try not to do that, but it'll work out here. So here we go. So we do it left-handed. Could I do it that way? Alright, we're going to do something crazy. We're going to do it like the opposite as far as left-handed. So we're going to go this way, and then you go 1, 2. I'm going to try to do it this way just to make it symmetric. It looks like I'm struggling here. 1, 2, over. Okay, so we got 2 over this way. So by the way, I'm doing it the opposite, so I'm thinking this is how it would work out. Go in. There we go. Okay. So now, preserve it. Boom. Okay, so now, try to bring it this way, close